How to add extension in Visual Studio Code. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add different extension to this. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you'll be able to see an icon of extension. Simply tap on it. So this is the section where you can import and search for different extension. Here on the top, simply tap on the search bar and search for the extension that you want to download, and simply tap on search. So it will take some time, and as you can see, this is the extension. Here you'll be able to see this install button. Simply tap on install or download. Now tap on trust publisher and tap on install. So it will take some time and it will automatically get installed, and later you'll be able to use the same programming language while coding too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.